Hello to all my friends, my good friends. I hope you are very well. I came with another new video in the field of jewelry design, and today I want to explain to you in general how to design an earring very easily, and you can also use these commands for other designs. Like so I can leave more video for you support me so that together we can have a very large good jewelry design team. Let's go guys, design together. Okay, the first part, I need a circle in a front, and look at this. The base circle is 20 and for offset it's 2. Okay, so now guys, we need two circles. Okay, two circles, one or first for the connection hole and the other for the connection. So let's design these two together. Okay, look at this guys, it's a small circle and again offset and 0.8. okay, it's good. Okay, I think it's really good. So guys, see if we want this circle to be exactly in the center of these two lines, we can turn on the center and put the circle with the vertical line exactly between these two lines. Okay, look at this. Okay, now we need two lines for cut this my earring or our earring. Okay, first third 0.1. okay, 3.1, sorry guys, and look at this. Okay, go to the perspective for best view for okay, solid, straight, solid, yes, both side, yes, and 1.5, I think it's really good. Again for this cutter, and go to the Boolean Split, and these two I think doesn't work. Again, I think it doesn't work. Turn on, Ctrl Z, and again Boolean Split, polysurface, surface, and yes, it doesn't work. Okay, why did this command not work, guys? Something our cutter has to be one piece. Okay, so let's make this one piece and do the cutter again. Okay, go to the single line for yes, for make a one piece of these curves, and Ctrl J, go to the extrude solid, yes, both side, yes, and go to the Boolean Difference, and this polysurface and this polysurface, it's done. Okay guys, go to the yellow layer, and okay, look at this guys. For the bottom of this earring, we need again cutter. Okay, so this circle, extrude this circle, and look at this, go to the Boolean Difference, no, Boolean Difference, okay, and this polysurface and this circle, look at this guys, it's extra part. Okay, now choose selected two circles and go to the again extrude solid, yes, both side, yes, and to the end. Okay, it's done. Okay, so we have to divide the cylinder into 3 half parts that use 2 half of it for one side of the earring and one middle for the other side of the earring. So see carefully, please. 2 single line for cut, okay, for cutter the cylinder, and go again to the extrude and look at this Boolean Difference, Boolean Split, and it's done. Okay, look at this, guys, it's done. Okay, it's ready for continue my video, okay, or our video. Okay guys, look at this. Now we group exactly those 2 parts with one side, okay, of the earring, and we group that one middle part with the other side of the earring. Okay, it's done. Okay, green layer, and look at this exactly. Now we are going to go to the top of the earring to do the final design together. Okay, duplicate edge and go to the control point, drag to the down. Okay, I think it's really good. Okay, shift control G for ungroup, and again. Okay, 0.8, I think it's really good, or 0.7, 0.8 good, but I think it's 1 is better. Again control Z, and again solid yes, and 1 yes, it's better, guys. Control F1 and look at this. Okay guys, now we are going to pick the lines around this rectangle. Okay, again, and turn it inward to the size of 0.8 millimeters offset, so that we can pierce the inner part of this rectangle. Now we need to offset, and again go to the duplicate edge and make a duplicate edge from this rectangle, and control J, and I think we have to go to the right, yes, and 0.8 or 0.7, both of them is true. Yes, it's okay. Now okay, we keep this rectangle so we can use it later in the next steps. Okay, now go to the solid and make a shell for this part and this part. Okay, okay, now in order to make the earrings more nice, okay, we need to arch the edges of this earring. So let's do it together and go to the solid and select it or choose fillet edge and selected all of edge for this poly surface and the cylinder. Okay, and 0.2, I think it's good for this earring. 0.2, it's good. Now it's done. Okay, and I think for these 2 rectangle, I think it's 0.5 for fillet is good. This edge and again this edge and this edge, it's okay. Yes, it's good. Look at this, guys. Now we need make a cutter of two this rectangle, sorry, of one of this rectangle. Look at this. Go to the Boolean difference, and this, it's done. Okay, so look at this extra edge, guys. That's exactly what we need so much, because that one-way earring holder goes through this hole with a little push and gets stuck to that edge. Okay, so we should have this lip. Now for the holder, okay, or a big cylinder or a holder cylinder, we need a circle 1.2. I think it's normal and it's good. Okay, higher, and I think here is good. Look at this. Yes, I think. Okay, go to the extrude and the solid. Yes, look at this, guys. This part is really important. Okay, guys, be sure your circle should be enough to have one crumb contact with this extra edge and below the surface of the earring hole, which we did to pass through this hole and suck to that lip holder. It's just that easy. Okay, and look at this, it's okay. After that, go to the solid and make a fillet for the edge of cylinder, and look at this, guys. It's really true, it's really good. Okay, it's almost done. So guys, we have done the most important things we had to do so far, and from here on out we are going to set up this gems and making the prongs and everything else to make this earrings more beautiful. Okay, so as always, as usual, go to the gem and curve and make a gem from of the surface and of poly surface. Okay, and 50 for the space of these gems and 2.2 for the size. It's really good. And again, go to the prong and prong adder. Look at exactly to the size. Okay, for this part I think it's 85 or 9 is good. Okay, and for the higher 0.8 or 0.9 is good, and 90 for this part, and here -5, and here 40 is good. I think 40, 42, 41. Yes, 40 is good, and it's done. Okay, and we need a cutter. Okay, go to the cutters, guys, and make a cutter for these gems. Okay, select it, gem cutter, and here. Okay, and again go to the Boolean and select it, choose Boolean difference and poly surface and prongs. After that, cutters, and it's done. Look at this, guys, easy as a pie. Okay, now for the other side, yes, we can select these gems and prongs, Ctrl F1, and only we need a cutter of the surface, not prongs. Okay, and again go to the Boolean difference and use surface, poly surface, and these cutters. It's done. Look at this, guys, it's so beautiful. Okay, we are almost done. Okay guys, let's group these parts together, and at the end of this video I'll show you how to rotate this earring so that you can feel comfortable, how you can design. Okay, green layer again, and okay, this red prong and holder cylinder with this. Okay, it's done. And again, green layer. Okay, let's go together to choose the order of rotation. Rotate and start from the center of the circle to turn the earring one way to see together how these two connect and interact. Okay, look at this guys. This circle, center of the circle, and okay, it's really beautiful and it's done guys. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. Well guys, this is from today's design. I hope you love it and I hope you enjoyed this design, and I would like to support my channel, subscribe, like me, and leave a comment and leave a comment with each other guys, and we can, as always I say, we have a great design team and we can easily work together and design very nice things. Thank you for seeing another clip of me again. You took the time. I hope you become very rich. I hope you will always be happy and healthy. I leave it to God, you guys, and for now, peace guys.